In this video, I will show you how you can apply windows to your Revit file. In the architecture tab, you can see that there is a window button. The tooltip assistance is showing me that the command for window is WN. So you can just click on this window button, and you can also see that in this property palette there are three type of families of windows, which is fixed, window casement double, and window double hung. Within these three families there are multiple types of windows. So let's just say I am going to click one of this window, which is 36 by 72, and apply window. Let's just say here you can see that window has been applied and it has been placed in the wall. You can just place them randomly but within a wall. As you can see that if I move my cursor to some air and there is no wall, then automatically I cannot apply any window. So that's how you can apply different kind of windows. Let's just say after I have applied any window and there is a sill height which is currently 1 feet, and I want to see that if I can change it or not. So for that I will go to my 3D, and then you can see that there are three windows. So I will just click any of the window, then right click on it, and then I will click on uh, select all instances in visible view. Obviously there are only these four windows, and now if I put a constraint on the sill level and make it uh, 2 feet and then apply, you can see that all the windows have moved up. So that's how you can change the sill heights. Let's just redo it and change the height to only 1 feet. Now there is another thing. If you don't find the windows in this list, you can modify as per your size as well. For example, let's just create a new type. I will just duplicate it, and this time I will create a window which has 60 uh, inches of the width and 72 inches of the height. Now since I have changed only the width, then I will change only width in this dimension section, and now I will just click apply and OK. Now you can see that there is additional window. If I go to my 3D, you can see that a new type of window has been added to our plan. Now if you want to apply a window but with different design, which is or you can say that different family of the window, and that is not in this list, so then you can go to load family and then find the folder of windows, which is this one, and then you can select any of the window which you require as per your plan. So let's just click on this one and then click OK. Now you can see that this window family has three types as well, and you can select any of them, or you can just go to edit type and then duplicate the name and then modify these dimensions as per your name. So let's just leave these settings as it is, and just change the type of the window. You can also see that even I have not applied the window yet, you can see that this window is different from the previous one even in this plan view. So I will just click here, let's say, and apply this window. Now after I have applied the window, you can see that there are two sets of arrows just like in the doors. You will just click on this window and then you can change the orientation as per your requirement. So let's just reset this window as it is. So that is how you can apply the windows to your plans. And if you have any confusion regarding windows, then you can ask me in the comment section. That's it for today.